Hey, what's up and welcome. I'm Matthew Msengati, the designer and developer. We are continuing with the TypeScript course. In the previous video, we have received a prop age as an array of object. Let's set up this code in such a way that we receive children, and then we see how do we type that. So the first thing that we need to do, we need to remove all of these. Obviously, TypeScript will complain that is not much of a problem. We need also to remove these. And then these will complain, and then we remove these. And then, as you can see, our code is back to where we were. It's green here, and then we are good to go. Okay, so this is the actual component and this is the parent. Okay, so what we want to do, as you can see, this one, it's a self-closing tag. You put a self-closing tag when you know that you don't pass children to this component. So let's just talk about or let's just put things into perspective. We've got this page as a consuming component, as a parent component, and it has got this child. Okay, so in this child we want to pass children, meaning that we have to convert this. Okay, or we have to change this from a self-closing tag, okay, to be a tag like this one. Okay, let's just see person check if someone has no corresponding closing tag. Okay. Okay, so as you can see now, it's not a self-closing tag, which is it is ready to receive children. Okay. So when you are passing children, how do you receive those children as a prop? So let's go to the child component. This is a child component. Okay, so how do we get this child component ready to receive children? Okay, this is how we are going to do it. Okay. Okay. So as you can see, TypeScript is complaining that binding element children implicitly has an any type. You know by now that TypeScript doesn't want us to have any types, meaning that everything must be properly typed. This is a problem. So it will mean that we need to assign a type. So how do we assign a type on this? Okay, the type of children is a react dot react node. My apologies about that black screen. Dot react node. Okay, uh, dot react node. Okay, obviously we need to do it this way. My apologies about that. Let me just quickly fix it. Okay, then we need to put curly brackets, okay, curly braces. So as you can see, we are receiving children, okay, and we are typing children to react dot node. So this this component is ready to receive children. Okay, remember, we don't just receive those children, we need to render the children. So here we need to put square braces, sorry, curly braces, and then from then we need to render the prop, which is children. Okay, as you can see, TypeScript is happy here. We have typed the children. Then now let's go to the parent component. Okay, as you can see now, TypeScript is telling us that children is missing in type, which is empty object, because we didn't pass the children here. So what we are going to do, we are going to have an h1 tag, and then we are going to say I am a child. Okay, as you can see now, TypeScript is happy. That means we have typed these children. So we are passing these children to this component, and then from then we are rendering this. okay, these children, let me just say so. Okay, so what we are going to do here, I'm just going to type a message which is out, let me say out, or not a child. Okay, let me just type that, not a child, so that when we're running this code, we can see that this part means that it's being displayed, let's say, locally in this component, not a child. But anything that comes after not a child, let me also put, okay, this is not gonna, let me just put these two dashes here so that we can separate between what has been some sort of rendered in this component and what has been received as a child, as you can see. Then now let's check. um it looks like my server is not running, or I'm not in the right place. As you can see, not a child, this part, it's not a child, and this part is saying I am a child. Okay, so as you can see, we have typed the children, like props, as children. I'm Matthew Msingati, the designer and developer. If you feel like this video is helping you into your overall understanding of TypeScript, please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. Otherwise, for me, see you on the next one.